Oh my God! Today's a fucking awesome day because I'm not only doing a house tour, they just gave us the keys to our house. So this is the first day. We're fully back to being homeowners. I couldn't be happier. We're in Texas. Baby, let's fucking go. And today we're gonna do a house tour. And on top of the house tour, I just want you guys to know, on Belen's channel, we're gonna do a whole section of remodeling. So everything you're gonna see, how we did it, why we did it, how much it cost, all that stuff, so that you guys can keep progress of the house, because we're redoing this whole bitch. We're making it our own. It's gotta be sexy, it's gotta be nice, it's gotta, ooh, we'll tell you in a second. But right now I want to introduce you guys to one of my best friends, one of my fucking brothers from another mother, good old Ricardo Navarro. That's Rodrigo's brother, for everybody that knows and follows us in Spanish maybe, because in English I don't know if you've seen Rodrigo that many times. Yeah, Ricardo's here. He owns a construction company and he's gonna do everything for us, thank God, with a bunch of people that he's bringing to the table. So I'm really excited. Let's go inside. Let me show you what the fuck is up. But first, let me introduce you to Ricardo. COVID. There you go, guys. This is Ricardo. That's Rodrigo's brother. How you doing, my man?
I'm you.
Dude, I am so fucking excited. So Ricardo has a construction, by the way, before anyone says anything, he is that tall. How tall are you?
6'6".
6'6". See?
Yes.
I'm not as short as you think, because otherwise I'd be like right here, and I'm not. I'm not that short.
You're a little short.
Yeah.
Just a little.
Thank you, Ricardo. Listen, I got you here because you're gonna help me look good in front of my wife, obviously, because we're gonna redo this whole fucking house.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
so pumped. You have a construction company. I'm so excited to be working with you. What's the name of your construction company? Let's do the plug, because we gotta do this fucking thing right.
Yeah, so the construction company is called Domo Construction.
Mm-hmm.
And we have a remodeling side which is called Arco.
Okay.
That's who's gonna be working here with us.
Arco's gonna take care of everything here.
Yes, sir.
I am so fucking pumped. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna walk with Ricardo and all of the subcontractors right now, take measurements of everything, make sure that we know what we're doing in every single room. And afterwards, I'm gonna give you guys a house tour. So let's fucking go.
Let's do this.
Let's fucking do this. Sweetie! I actually really enjoy pretending that I'm walking into the house like Cribs, but it's not a Cribs. Are you excited?
I'm extremely excited.
This is our brand new house, guys. This is fucking awesome. We just talked to everyone. We just walked with Ricardo, the whole place. And I think between us right now, we're just gonna show people the house.
Yeah.
And then for your channel, let's show people what we're gonna be doing to everything so that they... What?
I'm sorry.
Since you're dancing, shall we start right here?
Sweetie. Yes.
I think we should start giving everybody the stats on the house, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it, or do I
So
want
we
to do it?
have 6 bedrooms.
Yeah.
6 bathrooms.
Thank God.
What's the square footage?
4,900 square feet.
4,900 square feet and 1.5 acres of land.
Motherfuckers. That's right, sweetie. Sweetie, Casa de Sweetie's gonna be off the hook.
Yeah.
So now, this is our living room. This is our living space. Yeah. You can call it that.
Yeah.
Holy shit, the ceilings are so high, babe. They're higher than me right now, and that's not right. We'll fix that. We'll fix that.
Yeah, so we have gorgeous windows here, big window there, lots of natural light, which is a huge plus.
Yeah, and I just please go and stand by the fireplace, because I really want people to get an idea.
I'm about 5'5" now.
That is fucking ridiculous. This is our living room. This is where we're gonna be spending a lot of time. Obviously, we have doors that open completely up into the wall. Open floor plan, that's right. And let's show the second living space, if you will. We're gonna do some furniture out here. This is the outside.
We're gonna have you grilling all the time for us.
I'll pretend that I will.
And We're gonna do an outdoor dining table here.
Yep.
And then this is our zen. This is our paradise.
Oh, I can't fucking believe
I'm
this.
obsessed with this gorgeous tree. We're gonna put some white lights on there, a little seating area.
It's gonna be so epic, sweetie. Sweetie, this is so
Sweetie.
ridiculous. Let's go inside.
Okay.
Right next to the living room, we have the kitchen. I love this. You always wanted a kitchen that was connected to the living room, didn't you?
I've always wanted this, and we sort of had it at bridal.
Yeah.
But it still wasn't
completely
straight
open.
shot.
Yeah.
So I've wanted this for 10 years.
Yeah.
And now we have it. And I'm obsessed because I always love the idea of being able to be, with everyone here while I'm cooking or entertaining or you're watching football. So I'm super stoked to finally have it.
It's fucking amazing. I love it. Look, I love the island. I love the massive sink. I love this. I love that I'm not gonna hit my head anymore. It's so beautiful. I love that we have a big fridge.
I know, the big boy fridge is really exciting.
Oh. And I'd say, and even better than having your kitchen right here next to your living room, you also have your dining room right here with big windows, great view.
And a really short chandelier.
And yeah. And by the way, I was looking at it today. Look at this. You can take these out. Yeah, watch out. I don't understand. But this is our dining room.
Yeah, so I'm like you said, I'm so excited for it to all be one open space because you're kind of always together.
Yeah.
Even if you're eating lunch and someone's over there, you're still in one room. Then you have these amazing windows with the light. It's so pretty and it's easy to transfer.
Access, yeah. I'm really excited to see you everywhere I go in this house, baby.
Oh yeah, trust me too. I'm excited about the pantry, where my sweetie will go get all the munchies.
Oh, I don't know what you're
I'm gonna
talking
have
about.
papitas stocked 24/7.
What a beautiful sight! What a beautiful sight! These are 3 awkward rooms right now, which we'll work on.
We've got the pantry, then we have the powder room.
Yeah.
Like you said, we're gonna work on things, and then this is a really strange.
Another strange space.
Yeah, we don't know yet, but right now it seems like it was maybe someone's
Pantry?
office.
Yeah, because it's got doors and whatnot.
Yeah.
And then right here, we have a little bar, which we're gonna turn into our media room, sweetie.
Yeah, so this is gonna be the media room, so we have the family room and then the media room, the more casual room.
Yeah.
If you will.
I like it.
Yeah.
I like it, sweetie. We're running out of battery.
Okay.
What room is this?
This is gonna be my office. It's gonna be my home office. I'm really excited. We're gonna do hardwood floors. I'm really happy about the windows in here because there's a lot of light.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna do any curtains. I wanna leave them like this because, gorgeous view of a light here, and then I'm really excited about this.
That door is really
bar.
cool, and then you have some storage there from the old owners that left some shit there. And you got closets for, oh! So you're gonna keep all the wiring for yourself? I don't think so, sweetie.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Okay, now we're going to where the magic happens. This is our master bedroom.
It is. I mean, the view, right?
It's a really epic view. When we first saw the house, we were like, wow, like the view's
Insane.
and the light in this room is really, really awesome.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is the master.
Finally, Fiona's gonna have enough space for another fucking couch.
Yeah, well, let's just sleep on the bed. Let's be honest. She's an angel.
You wanna show your bathroom? Sorry, I got the burps.
Great. So the master is really big, as you can hear, there's an echo.
Holy shit!
Pretty enormous, but we're really excited to have such a giant bathroom.
Finally, especially.
It's gonna be my area.
By the way, fuck you! Fuck
Do
you!
you want to do your makeup?
I wanna do my makeup right there. That's mine. Guys, you saw the last house tour, you saw our little fucking shower. This is you know what, babe? Get in the shower and show people how fucking big that is.
Well, don't you want to do your push-ups?
Get in there, no! Why are you telling people that I do push-ups in the shower?
So this is, again, I'm 5'5.5".
This is so fucking stupid.
Yes, it's pretty amazing. We don't, but there's like enough.
You can sit, like literally, we can just sit here and chill.
Oh,
Like-
we know you'll be in your room.
Oh, I will. Oh, what do you have here to your right, sweetie?
Oh, that's just a sauna.
Oh, you just have a
I'm
little
pretty excited
sauna?
about this, you guys. Look at this.
Never, she's never gonna use it.
Oh my God, Chris, I've been so good for your health.
Oh, we'll see, sweetie.
Yeah, I'm excited. I love being hot.
It's, then you do. That you do, sweetie.
This is just.
I love being hot more than
This
you.
is just
A what?
a closet.
What does that mean? This is just a
It's
closet.
not an exciting thing to show.
Oh, this one. By the way, I thought I was opening the actual closet door.
You have problems. Severe.
This is the actual closet.
This is the closet,
Holy fuckster.
which is pretty exciting.
It's huge.
This is my closet. I think I should tell people that now. You get the guest room closet upstairs.
No. No! No! Not again. Wow. We have enough space, you'd say?
I could always use more, but it's a good start.
My God. I want to show people something special. Something really special.
Oh boy. That's all you.
Toilet. And for some reason, there's a urinal in this bathroom.
It's really weird.
It's really fucking weird, but it's really tall ceilings too. I'll take it, I guess. I can take a poop and a piss at the same time. I don't know. So by the stairs, what is this?
This is the other side.
Okay.
And this is going to be our home gym.
Ooh!
Which I'm very excited about. I got a Pilates reformer. I've always wanted one. It's going in here. Our treadmill.
We'll see about that.
It's already ordered.
We'll see about that. And then obviously comes with a bathroom,
Yes.
shower, it's a full bathroom.
It's a full bathroom.
It's a full bathroom.
So yeah, gym.
Yeah.
Exciting.
If you say so.
And then this is a closet.
Oh wow, look, the closet.
And this is where you
Wow.
live. This is your room, sweetie. Sweetie. That's where you're gonna go when you're awful, which is often. Okay, this is our laundry / mud room.
which we just found out
what about thanks to the property brothers.
The Property Brothers! We'll do it in 7 weeks. And I believe that the budget is exactly what you're gonna spend. Yeah.
So yeah, this is the laundry. This is where you're gonna wash new.
No!
She needs water. So
She does,
but
bro.
yeah, this is a really cool big space.
We're just missing the washer and dryer, obviously.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's
It's a cool space.
yeah, it's just the ceilings are so fucking tall everywhere.
Yeah, so you feel really small.
Open that. That's my room. That's... Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the garage. I don't have to say anything else. That's it. This is my fucking garage.
Time to go upstairs, sweetie. It's weird to have stairs again.
I know. I'm so excited.
I'm exhausted. Okay, so up here we have the guest rooms. Which
Yeah.
is awesome that it's like on the other
Separated and on the other side, because now people can do the dirty and no one's gonna get mad at them. No? No, or am I crazy?
So this is one guest room.
Mm-hmm. Comes with a closet.
It's a really pretty view.
He does.
And then it has a kind of a Jack and Jill bathroom.
Yeah.
So this is
And a Jack and Jill bathroom, for everybody that might not know what it is, that means you have access from 2 different rooms into the same bathroom.
correct. You share a bathroom.
Yeah. Which is my worst nightmare.
100%. Mine too. And this is a second guest room.
Okay. Great view too.
Great view too. Has a closet, easy.
That it is.
And this is the third guest room.
Look at you, sweetie.
So also really pretty view, and so this has its own private bathroom. So like probably this, I would guess, would be like the main guest room.
Yeah.
So
It's
that they
already
have
done.
Privacy. Gross. And,
I didn't see, thank God.
No, there's nothing in there.
Oh.
I don't like open toilets. It's just gross. Bad juju.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is upstairs.
That's pretty fucking sweet.
Yeah. Nice and easy.
That light is on.
I'll turn it off.
So, sweetie, this is your house.
Yes, this is our pool.
This is our pool.
This is our jacuzzi.
And
And get this, you can hop.
come back here. I love it. Are you excited?
Oh my God, I'm so excited. I mean, look at this. Looks like a resort.
I know. And by the way, for everyone that wants to see all of the remodeling of the house step by step, go follow Belen on our channel.
God, should I plug myself?
Just plug yourself, sweetie.
Yeah, it's going to be on Style by Belen. We're going to show all the remodeling, all of us arguing. It's going to be great.
Okay. Anything else you want to say?
Yeah. Want to see me run into the 1.5 acres?
I'm not cutting until you're gone.